Hi guys, this is the Swiss Army Man again. Now in another video I will show you how to replace the Y pipe on a Kia Sedona. So the problem I had is my old pipe that's in there right now is broken, and it makes the car really, it makes a loud noise, because it's broken. And it's actually this part right here is broken, and it's got like a hole in it. So I'm gonna show you. That's the new pipe right here. You can get it anywhere from $45 to like $80, depending where you getting the part from. So now I already took some parts off so I can show you. Now we're under the car. Right here in this area there is like a splash guard, which is this one here. Okay, you're gonna have to remove that. It's bolted up with 4 bolts. Okay, because you're gonna have to disconnect the both O2 sensors. Okay, this is one of the sensor right here. Okay, which is connected with this one right up here. So make sure you disconnect that, otherwise you will you will damage the wire by unscrewing the O2 sensor. Okay, there's a second one, which is this one right here. Okay, you don't really have to disconnect this, but I recommend just in case, so that way you don't twist the wires and then you would have to get a new part. Okay, so disconnect this one here from that hole right here. It goes in there. Now my old pipe, you can see right here, it's broken. It's like a flex pipe kind of thing, and see, it's like falling apart, and you can see right here where it sputters out. Now you can have this fixed. Okay, there are some people that will fix that for you, but you will spend most likely anywhere between 50 and $100 just to fix it. You might as well get a brand new pipe, okay, online or whatever you're gonna get it. I got mine for $45 online. It's from a auto parts store in Canada, but it took me about 2 weeks to receive the part, but that's no big deal. So at least I got the part for cheap. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to remove those bolts right here. There's 2 right here, there's another one here, another one here, and then up front, which is this one here, and on the other side here. Okay, it looks like it's a little rusted, so I put some grease on there to like loosen it a little bit. And with the new part, you get the gasket seals right here that go in here, 3 of them, which is one here, and the other one right here up front. Okay, so it's easy to take off. You can use whatever you're gonna have to use. I don't know exactly what millimeters you're gonna have to use here, but that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna take those bolts off, remove it, and put the new part in. Okay, now I want to show you what else comes with the kit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all that stuff that you need. Okay, which first, here's the pipe, and then you get 3 of those seals that you have to use, and you're gonna get the bolts as well. Okay, a total of 6 bolts right here, all brand new. So if you should break one by removing the old part, no big deal, because you have the new ones right here. So I'm gonna take down the pipe right now, then I'll show you in part 2 what to do next. Okay, bye.